At the end of this video, I want to show you how to draw linear graphs without giving the intervals of x. Okay, so I'll do the explanation and solve one of the problems. Then the other questions, I'll solve them in another video. Or you may want to try them. Then when I solve those questions, you will compare your answers. Okay, so let's see. We are asked to plot each graph line. Now, for us to plot a linear graph, this is very easy. There are two information that we need. First one is the intercept of y, okay, and the other one is the slope. Now, when you have a linear graph, the first thing you have to do is to change that to a slope-intercept form, which the general equation is y equals to mx plus c, where m, which is the coefficient of x, is the slope, and y is the intercept. Now, for the slope, you have the rise over the run. Okay, so for slope equals to rise over run. Okay, that means this is y over x. And you can prove this again when you draw a right angle triangle. So if you are looking for theta, this is theta, okay, this is y, this is x. Slope is like tan theta, okay, which is y over x. Now, this y, which is the run, can either be up or down, so that's just vertical. And x, which is the horizontal, can either be left to right. Once you know that, this becomes very easy. Now, the first one says y equals to minus 3 over 2x minus 3. So the first thing you have to identify here is the intercept of y, which is the minus 3. So go to the graph line, the y-axis where the minus 3 is. So you go to the y-axis where minus 3 is, which is this, okay? Now, once you get that, for you to plot this graph now, for you to complete this one, you have to be able to identify your slope. So your slope here is minus 3 over 2. Now, this is the rise, okay, which is minus 3. So, but because it is negative here, from this minus 3 here, we come down 3 steps, okay? So this is 1, and this is another, and this is another. So here we are right now, minus 3, okay? Because we are already minus 3 here. So another minus 3 brings us to minus 6, okay? Then the run is 2. So the run, this is 0. It's like start from 0 or start from here. You go this way. You have to be in line with this. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So this is the other point. Now you see this point. This is minus 3 here. Minus 3, which is the vertical, and the horizontal, which is this one, which is 2. Now you see this point and this point are the 2 points that you need for you to complete this graph. So you draw now a vertical line. This one has to be a vertical line this way. Unfortunately, I'm not so good at